Good morning, student. Today we teach about history of internet. Lesson number 30. History of internet. During late 1960s, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency started a project to develop a communication protocol for computer network. This project was founded by US military. The ARPANET was set of US military computers to communicate defense and security related information. This network used to send the data by splitting it into small packets through routers. Emails were first used on this network in the middle of 1980s. US National Science Foundation developed a NSFNET, which provided the basic platform for communication service used for modern networking. Different protocols were invented and many organizations came into existence that with internet working. Some examples of other networks are because it's time network and computer science network. Facilities called Gateway were developed to connect BitNet with other networks, which allowed exchange of electronic mail, particularly for email discussion lists. The ARPANET was dismantled in 1990. Next, Internet connectivity. The way to connect internet included traditional dial-up access, leased lines, and wireless. These methods are described in detail in this section. Dial-up connection. The most basic type of internet connection available from an internet service provider is called dial-up connection. An internet service provider is an organization that provides access to the internet. In India, BSNL is the largest service provider as dial-up connection uses or binary telephone lines. The data rates are limited and the quality of the connection is not always good. The modem must dial the telephone number provided by ISP every time it wants to connect to the internet, hence, it is identified as a dial up connection. When you start accessing the dial up connection, the modem converts the digital information onto the along signals. These along signals use the telephone lines to pass the convert signals. No, no, nowadays very few people use this type of connection further. It makes the telephone lines busy till you use the internet. Since most of the computers have the facility of inbuilt modem. This solution is easy but not economical as it is slow and increases the telephone bill. Dial-up connection operate at speed of 14.4 kbit, 28.8 kbit or 56 kbit. Next, ISDN. dial-up connection. The second type of internet connection is through an ISDN integrated service digital network. This connection is also called dial-up connection. This is a high-speed connection that requires special type of dedicated telephone line. As the digital information to analog and vice versa conversion is not necessary. The connection speed is improved since these connection types use dedicated lines. It is costly. Further, a special ISDN line as well as ISDN modern type uses dedicated lines. It is costly. A special ISDN line as well as ISDN modem must be installed at the customer's location. The ISDN dial-up connection operates at speeds of 128 kbit and 256 kbit. Next, direct internet access connection. Less line is a permanent connection, some generally used by larger institutions, corporate and government agencies. It involves establish your own internet connection and paying to have direct full-time line with the network, which makes such connection faster as well as costly. It is personalizer and detected line of connection which is always on. Broadband connection. Broadband connection is a type of internet access in which a single medium or right can carry several channels or communicating paths at once. It is also high-speed internet connection. Both these features make surfing the web very efficient. Such connection can transmit both television signals and internet data at the same time. Broadband telephone connections like digital subscriber line are able to transmit multimedia information over the same line at the same time. Further, the broadband connection are always on. Generally, a broadband connection accesses the internet either by cable modem provided through their local cable company or a DSL modem and DSL telephone line provided by the local telephone service provider. There are two popular types of cables, coaxial and fiber optic. The first one is commonly used by cable TV and that is common for data communications. Fiber optic cables are strands of a special optical materials as thin as a human head that carries multimedia information over long distance. Next, wireless internet connection. Wireless broadband or wireless internet connection operates on radio frequency. Instead of cable networks, wireless internet can be accessed from anywhere as long as you are within a network coverage area. For mobile internet connection to personal computers or laptops, 3G USB data cards are used. 3G USB data cards are internet for accessing internet at any time and from anywhere. It provides simple and instant internet access at mega fast speed up to 7 Mbps. 3G data cards makes us free from messy wires and fixed line requirement among different type of the 3G data card and USB data and is very popular. Companies such as BSNL, MTNL, Airtel, Vodafone, Tata, etc.